Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul, and you are watching Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Welcome to another video of Advanced Excel for Visually Impaired. We have already made couple of videos on Advanced Excel for the Visually Impaired, in which you can learn how you can use MS Excel or Microsoft Excel with the help of your favorite screen reader NVDA and JAWS. Today we will learn an advanced formula of data validation. So without any delay, let's start today's episode. Do like, share, subscribe for more videos. Press bell icon for notification. You can join our Telegram channel for more updates and Telegram group for your queries. Both the links are given into the description below. I have already made a Excel sheet. There are two headers like
MA2, item A1,
item,
price B1,
price.
item A1, MA2, MA2.
So below item, that is, in A2 cell, I want the user to type only text, and below the price, I want user to type only numbers. How can I do this? I can do this with the help of custom formula, or you can say custom data validation. So let's say
A2.
this is a cell. Now here I need to apply the data validation. For this I need to go to the data validation dialog box.
Repeat data validation dialog validation criteria.
Those who are watching this video for first time, please watch the previous videos of data validation. The playlist link is mentioned in the description below, or you can also search in Google, or you can find in our channel. I'm pressing tab.
Allow combo box any value alt plus A.
From this combo box I need to choose custom.
Allow that list date time text custom.
I'm pressing tab.
Formula edit alt plus F blank.
Here I need to type the formula. So here I want the user to type only text. The formula is equals is text is text left paren. Then you have to enter the cell number. For our case A2, then right paren. That's it. Then I'm pressing tab.
Ignore clear all OK button.
And I'm clicking on OK button.
Book 1 Excel sheet 1 table A2.
Now in A2 I can write only text, but
A2.
let me try to type any number.
Edit 1 2 3 5 4.
I'm pressing enter.
Microsoft Excel dialog. This value doesn't match the data validation restrictions defined for book.
Okay. So now here I'm just typing some product name.
MOBILE.
Mobile phone. So I'm pressing enter.
A3 mobile A2.
Right. So text I can enter, but for numbers or any other things I can't enter due to the restriction by using custom data validation. So moving to the next formula.
Item price B1, B2.
Here is the price column. So now I want the user to type only numbers in the column of price. How can I do it? This is the very simple formula. I can apply here. So I'm going to data validation.
Repeat data validation dialog validate.
I am pressing tab.
Allow combo box any.
From this combo box again I'm choosing custom.
Allow that list data text custom.
I am pressing tab.
Formula edit alt plus F blank.
The formula is very similar to text formula. So I'm typing equals is number
ISNUMBER
parenthesis
left paren.
left paren. then the cell number. So here our cell number is B2.
B2.
Then I'm closing the parenthesis.
Right parent.
Then I'm clicking on OK button by pressing tab key.
Clear. OK. Cancel. OK. Space. Book 1 Excel. Sheet 1. Take mobile at B2.
Now
Price B2.
in B2 I want to type some characters. So let's say type computer.
O-F-E-U-T-E-R. Microsoft Excel dialog. This value doesn't match the data validation restriction.
You may have heard the error
Mobile B2.
message. Now I am typing some numbers. For example, I'm typing 10,000.
Edit was 000. B3 10,000 B2.
Right? So this is the process. You can easily apply any restriction to your cell by using custom data validation. If you think this video is helpful, please press the like button and share this video with your community. Don't forget to leave your valuable opinion into the comment section. That will help us, that will motivate us to make new videos for you. See you in the next video soon. Till then, stay safe, stay with us. Thank you for watching this video till the end. This is Ratul signing off.